This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
In the passenger's footwell, operate the bonnet release lever. Lift up the safety catch, open the bonnet and support it with the strut. The coolant expansion tank is located on the driver's side of the engine compartment. The coolant level varies with the temperature of the engine and is visible through the expansion tank. When the engine is cold, the coolant level should be between the max and min marks on the front of the reservoir. When the engine is hot, the level may rise slightly above the max mark. If topping up is necessary, wait until the engine is cold. Slowly unscrew the expansion tank cap to release any pressure present in the cooling system and remove it. Add a mixture of water and antifreeze to the expansion tank until the coolant level is up to the max mark. Use only the correct antifreeze. Refit the cap and tighten it securely. The engine oil level dipstick is located at the front of the engine and the oil filler cap is located on the top of the engine. Withdraw the dipstick, wipe it clean and then fully reinsert it. Withdraw the dipstick again. The level should be between the upper and lower marks. If the oil level is only just above or below the lower mark, topping up is required. Unscrew the filler cap. Then, using a funnel to minimise spillage, add engine oil a little at a time until the level reaches the upper mark on the dipstick. Don't overfill it. Refit the dipstick, remove the funnel and securely refit the filler cap. The washer fluid reservoir is located in the right-hand front corner of the engine compartment. To check the fluid level, open the cap and look down the filler neck. If topping up is necessary, use a funnel, then add water and a Screenwash additive in the quantities recommended on the bottle. The upper max fluid level marking is on the side of the reservoir, which is located in the left-hand rear corner of the engine compartment. If topping up is necessary, first wipe clean the area around the filler cap with a clean cloth. Unscrew the cap and remove it along with the rubber diaphragm. Carefully add fluid, avoiding spilling it on the surrounding paintwork. After filling to the correct level, refit the cap and diaphragm and tighten it securely. Wipe off any spilt fluid. The fluid reservoir is on the right-hand side of the engine compartment. Where fitted, remove the cover and clean the area around the reservoir cap. Unscrew the reservoir cap. Check the fluid level is up to the upper max level indicator on the dipstick. Top up the reservoir with total fluid DA using a funnel. Once the level is between the level marks, Securely refit the reservoir cap. Do not overfill the reservoir. Unclip and fold away the strut. Lower the bonnet firmly to engage the lock.